Up.
Got 70 knot attitude. Here we go. We're coming around.
Okay.
Nice and tight.
Yeah.
Alright, let's level it out. Right there.
Alright,
Okay.
slow it way down from
Slowing
here.
our way down. That collective coming down. There we go.
Yep.
Perfect. Line us up.
1,000 feet per minute.
Yep. You're good. If you start coming aft, we're coming in kind of hot.
Coming in hot.
Yep.
Okay.
Lower way down. We're going to kind of steep approach-ish.
Yep.
Go. Now we're getting better. That's a better
Yeah,
profile.
there we go.
There you go. Now you're getting more to a normal approach.
Yeah.
Alright. There you go. Keep that forward airspeed just a little bit.
Yep.
There. Get past these obstacles here.
Yep. Gonna clear them just fine.
Down left and right till